of discoms. Okay, you know what? I'm going to come to that story in just a second. Just address the market open as well. Got carried away on the power sector. Bracing ourselves for an 11,400 print on the Nifty, and it seems like it's made a start above that level. There come the first rates on your screens. 11,452 is what the pre-open rate was indicating, and it's a smart start for us. 11,450 thereabouts. About a 0.5% uptick is what we've kick-started the day with. Nifty Bank, as well as I see on my screens, holding up and counting up even further. Quickly want to check in on the market breadth as well. It's been all about the broader market traction, and it's holding out very smartly. Even the broader market current, as Nikunj called it, 988 stocks standing to the advances as we speak right now. First, let's start checking in on Reliance Industries after that NetMeds acquisition. Let's see what Reliance is up to, and that will come up for you on your screens. ICICI Bank, as I see, holding out smartly, 2146 now on Reliance, nudging the 2150 mark. So it's taken away from that previous high. 2137 thereabouts is the previous high that Reliance clocked for itself. Zee, let's check in on that after the earnings came by. Remember the first quarter numbers, you had low ad revenue, which clearly affected the margins, predictably so. So let's check in on Zee. ICICI Bank has made it smart, 375 now on ICICI Bank. So that's a big pullback coming in ICICI Bank. Then I want to check in on what the IndiaBulls names are doing. IndiaBulls Housing and the other listed entities within the IndiaBulls group, considering the IndiaBulls embassy merger has now been finalised. You've got Hindustan Aeronautics as well, which has had minimal COVID impact. The PAT stands at about 1,226 crore rupees. We're going to shortly later on in the show be talking to the HL management as well and getting their take on the visibility going forward for Hindustan Aeronautics. So that stock as well holding up smartly. And theatres may be opening next with checks and viewer restrictions. That's what the Economic Times reported. So let's check in on what the PVR and Inoxes of the world as well are up to. Chola Finance was a big mover yesterday. I want to see price action on DLF. This held out very smartly, an 8% print at the high point of the day, if not more. About a 6.7% uptick on DLF on closing bell. 157 was the closing price in DLF. So look out for that as well, and follow through price action even in Ashok Leyland. It's been a very strong move across the auto majors, the auto ancillary universe, and Ashok Leyland has really been catching on the momentum. Another strong session for Ashok Leyland yesterday. Let's see whether it's holding the same today or not. But good going for the market. 11,450 now, almost nudging Nikunj. Not a bad print at all.